Hello, I'm going to show you how to really open up an iPhone 7 to replace the battery. Now the problem with all the videos is they don't show you how hard it is to get this screen off. They say you just put the suction cup on here like this and then you pull, and somehow that's supposed to create a gap that you can somehow get your spudger into. You know, they give you this little tool here, and somehow you're supposed to be able to pull that up. And there is just no freaking way that any amount of pulling is going to result in that screen budging enough that you could stick a tool in. That's just a complete lie. So I'm going to show you what you really have to do, which is you have to get a solid metal, very sharp-edged blade. So this is a Stanley utility knife. You can actually get these. But this is what you really need to get inside of these, as near as I can tell. I haven't found any videos that are uncut to showing you actually getting into one of these cases. You notice that's why there's these videos are all lies. But I'm not gonna cut. I'm gonna show you just how long it takes, what you need to get into the case here. Okay. So I think I'm gonna put on my jeweler's goggles here so I can see what I'm doing. So what you really need to do, and this will scrape up. This will, like I have a black case, and I've done it before, and it definitely scratches up your finish. So you just have to get that in there. Okay, see, once I get in there, then I can start lifting it up. Okay, so that's what you actually need. Then you can start using these little plastic smudgers to start opening the case, right? But you have to start with something super hard in order to get just started in there. Fortunately, that that will scratch your case a little bit. Okay, you got to go around the sides. You can't remove the back side all at once. So you've got all the sides all the way completely loose. Then you can move this forward, theoretically. And then you can open the case like a book. Okay, so that's the real truth for how to get these things open. Now the other thing they don't show you is that, you have this water seal. So the other problem is you've got to get all of that off. And a lot of these kits do not include the water seal, so you will probably have to watch out for that. It looks like this, and if it's included in the kit, it'll be listed in the parts. So, but that would definitely be something you need to get, and it's hard to get all of this junk off of all of the little things, and that's the other thing they don't show you. Okay, so that's it. That's how you open an iPhone 7 case.